So the sum is, a fire occurred in the premises of Mr. Rajendra on 15th of October 2015. From the following particulars, ascertain the loss of this stock and prepare a statement of a claim to be lodged with the insurance company. So what they are asking us to find out? They are asking us to find out the loss of stock. मतलब कितना loss हुआ है. Then we need to tell them that how much claim we are going to register and कितना हम रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं so that उतना इंश्योरेंस कंपनी हमें वो क्लेम का अमाउंट दे सके. Now next, they have given us certain information. Stock on 31st 3 2013. अब ये स्टॉक कौन सा है? 2013 का स्टॉक है. दिस इज अ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक फॉर द प्रीवियस ईयर. ठीक है, 2013. अभी देखो फायर अकर्ड इन द ईयर 2015, whereas this is the stock for 2013. तो ये ओपनिंग स्टॉक बन जाएगा फॉर द ईयर 2014. 2013 का closing becomes opening for the 2014. This is the closing given for a 2014. Purchases is given for the year 13-14. Sales for the year 13-14 is given, fine. Purchases from 1st 4 2014 to 15-10 2015, मतलब from the starting of the date till the date of the fire, and the sales is also given from the starting to the date of the fire. So this information is given as for preparing a memorandum trading account. ठीक है, इससे हम क्या बनाएंगे? memorandum trading account we are going to prepare. Now next one. The stock on 31st March 2013 was valued at 90% of the cost price. अब देखो जो भी ओपनिंग स्टॉक है, देखो द स्टॉक ऑन 31st March 2013, इट मीन्स दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, मैंने अभी बताया 13 का क्लोजिंग बिकम्स 14th के लिए ओपनिंग. सो इट इज वैलिड एट 90% ऑफ द कॉस्ट प्राइस. और हम हमेशा कितना परसेंट वी राइट डाउन ओवर योर 100%, पर ये सिर्फ 90% पर वैल्यू किया है. तो वी नीड टू फर्स्ट डू द कैलकुलेशन पार्ट and then only we can write it down the amounts. And 31st March 2014, अब देखो ओपनिंग स्टॉक 90% ऑफ द कॉस्ट प्राइस पर वैल्यू किया है, जबकि क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज वैल्यू 10% अबाउ द कॉस्ट. अगर सपोज कॉस्ट इज 100 रुपीज, तो उसका 10% कितना हो जाएगा? 100 का 10% बिकम्स 10. सो टोटल कितना अबाउ द कॉस्ट हुआ है? 1110%. इट वुड बी 1110%. सैल्वेज वॉज 35,600, मतलब इतने गुड्स हमने सेव कर दिए, गुड्स जलने से बचा लिया. एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ पॉलिसी वॉज 2 लाख. द क्लेम वॉज सब्जेक्ट टू द एवरेज क्लॉज. फाइन, हमें एवरेज क्लॉज का फॉर्मूला लगा के वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द claim. Now we have done this. Do we have any information regarding gross profit over here? नहीं है gross profit के regarding कुछ भी information. तो हमें पहले क्या बनाना पड़ेगा? We need to first prepare the trading account. From the trading account we will be finding out the gross profit, and then accordingly we will prepare a memorandum trading account. ठीक है, so let's first prepare a trading account. Write down the working notes. Trading account, debit, credit, and this a trading account is for the year. You need to prepare for the year 31st March 2014. Hello, let's start. Draw the format. Particulars, rupees, particular rupees. चलो let's start. क्या दिया है अभी? ओपनिंग स्टॉक. So opening stock is how much? 1,98,000. But इसका adjustment भी है that the stock on 31st March 2013 was valued at 90% of the cross price. So this means class I'm doing over here. If 1,98,000 this thousand represents 90%, तो 100% का कितना? Just do the cross multiplication and find it out. बिकॉज इट वॉज वैल्यूड एट 90% ऑफ द कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो अगर ये अमाउंट रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है 90% को, तो 100% का कितना? Yes, this comes to 2,20,000. So here you will be getting 2,20,000. So the value of a opening stock will be 2,20,000. Next information is given for a closing stock. So closing stock is 2,42,000. But इसके बारे में भी हमें adjustment है that it was valued at 10% above the cost. 10% above the cost. So 100 का 10% comes to 1,110. So again, if this 2,42,000 is representing 1,110%, 100% का कितना? Find it out. Yes, again you will be getting the same amount, 2,20,000. Sorry, this will come down. Now next, purchases is given for 13, 14, 6,40,000. So write down to purchases 6,40,000. Next, information is for the sales for the year 13, 14. कितना है? 8 lakh rupees. So write down over here 8 lakh rupees का sale. Whatever information was given for the year 13, 14, we have jotted down all the information. Now let's close the trading account. See, from here only you can see that credit side is higher than the debit. So this comes to 10,20,000. So let's, and that what is the total of the debit side? 8,60,000. So 10,20,000 minus 8,60,000. You will be getting the gross profit of 1,60,000. You will be getting a gross profit of 1,60,000. Now class, we cannot directly write this 1,60,000 in the memorandum trading account. We cannot directly write it down, correct? So we need to first find out the gross profit ratio, like what is the gross profit ratio. Depending upon that, only we can take the gross profit amount in the memorandum trading account. So first we need to find out the gross profit ratio for the same. So what is the formula? Gross profit divide by sales into 100. So कितना मिला अभी gross profit हमें? We got 1,60,000 का gross profit. 1,60,000 का we got a gross profit. Divided by sale. What is the sales का value? 8 lakh. Multiply by 100. This will be equal to how much? Yes, 20%. So we got a gross profit ratio as a 20%. We have applied the formula and find it out. Now देखो हाँ class. ये साल का closing will become next year के लिए opening, correct? Closing for the year 2013-14 becomes the opening for the next year. So let's prepare a memorandum trading account now. So here we have to prepare a memorandum trading account from the starting date to the date of the fire. So let's change the date. This is 1st April 2014 to 15th of October 2000. So what will be the amount of opening stock? 2,20,000. So write down over here 2,20,000. Now they have given us the information for the purchases. They go from the 1st for 2014 to 15/10/2015. It is how much? 6 lakh. So just write down over here 6 lakh. Sales ka amount is also given, that is 7,58,000. So write down 7,58,000. Gross profit kitna aaya? 20%. So we have to take 20% on the of the sale amount. So what is the sale amount? 7,58,000. So 20% of 7,58,000 comes to 1,51,600. So debit is more than credit. So we will be getting a closing stock as a balancing figure. Let's calculate. This is coming to 9,71,600. Write down this total on both the sides. So we got a closing stock value of 2,13,600. So from the trading account, we got a gross profit, and from the memorandum, we have find it out the value of a stock which has been lost now. So let's calculate the loss stock on the date of fire. Kitna aaya? We have just calculated it up. 2,13,600. Do we have a salvage given in the sum? Yes, we have a salvage value, that is 35,600. So we need to subtract this 35,600. Just see after subtracting how much you are getting. 1,78,000 rupees. We got a loss of 1,78,000. Now we have to apply the average clause ka formula. So the formula is claim is equals to policy divided by stock into loss. So what is the policy amount which is given in the question? It is 2 lakh. Stock kitna loss ho gaya? 1,78,000. And multiply this by a, sorry, stock it is 2,13,600. Extremely sorry. And the loss is 1,78,000. We have to just calculate it up. Yes, you will be getting a claim amount of rupees 1,66,666.666. So just round it off. So this will be 1,66,667 rupees. So this is how you have to do it up. पहले क्या करोगे? First you will find out the trading account. From trading, first you will prepare a trading account. From trading account, you will find out the gross profit. Then you just find out the gross profit ratio. Accordingly, prepare the memorandum trading account. Then compute the loss. Then the third step will be computing the claim. And since over here, the values was the opening stock was valued at 90% of the cost price for, so 100 ka kitna we need to find out and write it down. Same way the closing stock was also valued at 10% above the cost, so we need to first calculate ke 100% ka kitna hoga and accordingly we need to write down in the trading account.